What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Loco Rob, and we back with another video. As y'all can see by that title, today we're gonna be doing a tutorial video. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my thumbnails and also how I edit my videos. People been asking me, how do you edit your videos? Like, how do you do it? They've been, your videos is nice edits. They've been looking good. They look clean. It's all about being creative. You gotta kind of do your own style, what you like and what you want to do. So basically what I use iMovie. iMovie is a free app. It comes on the iPhones, it comes on the iPads, and I think it also comes on the MacBook Pros, I'm pretty sure. So if you go to iMovie and then you go to create movie. Oh, hold on, let me go back. So I'm gonna go to start new project and then you go down to movie. So I'm gonna go back to media in the top left corner, go to video, and then go to YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts, this is basically my album that I created. I got someone that manages my TikTok. If you guys want to go follow my TikTok, it's LocoRob6. I'll just click there on the check mark, go to create movie. So as you can see, YouTube, you see me eating on this clip right here. Say if I want to edit that part out. So go right here, and you want to time it just right. If I click on that scene right when I'm looking at my shoes, you want to click on the clip, and then you want to hit split. Boom. Stop it right there. Wait till you get to the next clip, hit split again. Click on that scene again, and then you're gonna hit delete. And then watch. As you can see, it cut out the part where I was eating food. You could do so much with iMovie, you just gotta be creative. You can also add text. There's like different texts that you can add. You know what I'm saying? They got different fonts, different variations, anything that you want to add. You can just get creative with it. Say if I want to say I made it to NYC, you know what I'm saying? And then you can use your fingers, you can make it bigger, you know what I'm saying, just like that. You see how it popped up like that? I made it to NYC. You can do whatever you want. You can do any text that you want. I like my font in white, but say if you want it red or black or green or yellow, you could do any color that you want. You could basically do whatever you want. But if you don't like what you did, you could click right here and then go back to text, and then you could go back to none if you want it completely deleted. Say you edit a text and you're like, I don't like this text, you could just hit none. So you see at the end of my video where I say full video on YouTube Monday, boom, hit done. And then you export it, and then if you want to export, I'm not going to fully export it, but you can just go ahead and hit save video. Well, my phone's about to die, but as you see, it's exporting right now. I'm not going to fully export it because I already got it done. That's how I be making my YouTube videos. I just keep it real light and simple. Honestly, I think more raw footage is better than me. I just think what you do in that raw footage is really important. Like, come up with your own transitions, come up with your own style of your own style with doing videos. You don't gotta copy everyone else. Like, it's cool to get ideas from everyone else, but do your own type of videos. This is the videos that you want to bring, you know what I'm saying? And then eventually you're gonna get your target audience. I'm gonna show you guys how I make my thumbnails. So there's an app, it's called Fonto. You could download it on the Apple Store. If you got an Android, you could download it on y'all store, but I know if you got Apple, you go to the Apple Store. So this is my last thumbnail. If you click the camera icon, you'll reset this and you can start over. So click the camera icon again, hit photo albums, and then say if I want to click on this picture again, and then say if I want to add a text. Like, we could just say, I'll say something random. I'll just say like going to LA. We'll just say that, going to LA. As you can see, the text is right there. You could click on it, you could adjust the size, you could move it with your thumb, you could change, you got different fonts. I like to use Helvetica, but you can use any font that you want to use. Now you can use that one, you can use Eater, you can use freaking Damascus Bold. And then if you go to style, you can change the color. Say if I want to make it, I got some colors that are already pre-selected, so we're gonna make it blue. We're gonna say blue, and then if you want to make it real cool and get interested, you see where it says stroke. Click on stroke, and then you could click like black. It's gonna highlight it. It's gonna bring the words out a little better. So You could make the width 11. I usually do like 11 width, and then I go over to style, and then you see the bottom right where it's like the double A's. Boom, it like makes it even better. You know what I'm saying? It brings it out some more. So you could, there's a website where you could download fonts. You gotta do some research. Just type on Google, and then if you go to My Fonts, there's some other fonts that I've seen, like Long Haul, Mont Heavy Demo, Mont Moon Get Demo. You know what I'm saying? It really like brings out the words in the thumbnail. You know what I'm saying? And then so I also saved this image as well. So say if I want to add more stuff, so if you click on the 3 bottom lines in the bottom left corner, you can hit add image, and then I already had this saved. So people was wondering like, how do you be getting the picture in the picture? So if you type in, so I got Nike transparent, type that in, boom, and look at that. Then I can even change the text. So say if I want to make it like, if I want to change the color again, make it white, and then I could say going to Nike, we'll make it caps, going to Nike's headquarters, we'll say that, going to Nike's headquarters, boom, you know what I'm saying, just like that. And then you just hit the bottom right thing right there, you go to save image. That's it. So now you guys know how I be making my thumbnails and also how I edit my videos. Like I said, it's real easy. If you guys got any questions, feel free to comment. If you guys did enjoy this video, man, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe to Loco Rob. Y'all have a blessed day. I'm out. Peace. We just talking about an update on how the sugar challenge been going. It's been going pretty good, man. I still try to keep my carbs under 50 grams. I have been doing my lettuce wrap burgers. Fasting is like really the key to losing fat. Meal prepping will help as well. I hate doing dishes. I'm gonna keep it 100. If you like doing dishes, come do my dishes. I'll pay you. Come do.